Are you a parent worried about online safety or an employer focused on productivity? SentryPC offers a solution for computer monitoring and control designed for peace of mind. This software provides computer monitoring, tracking keystrokes, website visits, application usage, and chat. It features content filtering, allowing you to block websites, applications, or keywords to prevent access to content. Time management tools enable setting schedules for computer usage, limiting access during certain hours. For parents, SentryPC protects children from online threats while employers monitor productivity. The software is designed for ease of use, with a user-friendly dashboard for setup and management. Installation is straightforward. Download, install, and configure through the online control panel. SentryPC offers subscription tiers based on devices and features, ensuring a plan that fits your needs. Visit the SentryPC website today to explore pricing and get started with enhanced computer security.